Yeah, I got that one. Nice shot, Peyton.
I'm like, Michael's like, calm down. I'll go out and see if I can find him and blah, blah, blah. So I...
Keep going, Peyton.
Last night, and they were all...
Go, Peyton. Go, go, go. Downside, go, 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 go. Keep going, go, go.
Way to go, Peyton.
Mom, I don't need to study. I go, oh, let me show you. Come here. And he got 2 or 3 in a row, and I was like, this is what's bringing me...
Go, Peyton, go. Go, 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 go. Don't hesitate. Yeah.
Go, Peyton.
Go, 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 go.
Go, Peyton. Go, Peyton. Peyton, touchdown. Woo! Way to go, Peyton.
Awesome, buddy.
Woohoo! Good job, Peyton. Touchdown.
That was awesome. Did you record him?
Yeah. I think I missed some of it, unfortunately, but I got most of it.
That's awesome.
She's just boring, I guess.
Yeah.
And then I think she likes the distance. Okay, Aquila and Doe. Go, 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 go.
Oh, there we go.
Go, Peyton.
Touchdown.